The Quopi website is back up and they have unveiled the recovery process and all the details. And I'm going to go over all of that in this video. So stick with me. What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, we're talking about Quopi. Yes, the website is back up. There's a recovery process, right? No fees have been mentioned, anything like that. Nothing crazy so far. So we're going to go over all the details. Now, before I jump into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, look, I need you to get into my new YouTube growth acceleration challenge. I need you to get in that challenge because I want to show you guys how to build your own personal YouTube empire that brings you income time and time and again, that even brings you income while you sleep. If you want something like that, if you want to know how to build something like that, I need you to get into my YouTube growth acceleration challenge. All you got to do is drop down into the description of this video, click on that link, go ahead and sign up for the challenge, and I will see you on the inside. All right, guys, let's get into Quopi right now. Here's what's happening with Quopi. The website is back up. You see it here on the screen right now, and I'm going to walk you through the notice that they put out in the Telegram announcements channel so that you guys can see exactly what you need to be doing to get everything back on track. At least is what they're detailing to us. So let's get this pulled up right now. I'm going to pull up the Telegram chat. Here is the announcement here. They're saying the website has been relaunched. You know that officially they said, well, initially they said it would be relaunched on this day at 11:59, but they actually did it early, which is incredible. We have no problems with them relaunching the website early. So let's go over this here. We are delighted to share this fantastic news that our platform is back online and operational slightly before schedule. Your patience and support during this period have been invaluable, and we can't thank you enough. To regain access, users can kickstart the process by using their account details and resetting passwords. We're thrilled to let you know that approvals for access renewals will roll out in phased waves during the relaunch. The aim is to ensure a systematic and secure process, and the best part is no additional fees will be incurred during this access renewal process. As part of our commitment to the long-term stability and security of our platform, we are taking careful steps. Account balances will be methodically transferred to security wallets, followed by dispersing funds to user accounts over a 6-month period in separate proportional payments. Profits generated during the trading activities post-relaunch will continue to be distributed to account balances as usual, ready for withdrawal in an effort to manage the initial load of funds through the commission fees. We have made a temporary adjustment. The minimum withdrawal threshold is $10 with the added perk of unlimited withdrawals per day. This strategic move ensures responsible level of funds in our wallets, guaranteeing security within a controlled financial environment. While we eagerly look forward to resuming full operations, the initiation of the crypto bot openings will experience a temporary delay. We want to ensure that we've been given. Let me go back and read that again. We want to ensure you that we have been hard at work, meticulously planning a secure and sustainable return to normalcy. Further details on this matter will be shared soon. From the bottom of our hearts, we appreciate your unwavering understanding and cooperation throughout this relaunch phase. Together, we're stepping into a new era of growth and success. So that's what they put out, the first message that we got out here. So they're telling us the detailed process on how they're going to relaunch the site. What is good here is that, like I said, that they're not saying that there are any renewal fees. They're not trying to charge us anything. They're not telling us to put in any more money yet. They're not telling us to send them any more things or anything like that. So that's good. I do like the fact that they're thinking about the relaunch process and how to temper things so that it's not a full-on run on the bank and all that type of stuff. And somebody going in and ruining the platform. So hopefully the measures they put in place will allow for sustainability. Now their withdrawal threshold, let me tell you this withdrawal threshold is now $10. So that is a good thing. I believe as well. It's not too high. If it was like 50, I'd be like, oh, that's crazy. But $10 is good to keep the withdrawals at a place where They're manageable, I believe. That's just my thought process on that. Now they're going to be releasing more details, but then they came back with another notice in here, so I want to go over this as well. A quick clarification: fear not, your funds remain under your control. Users retain the ability to configure their active investments to reinvest, ensuring seamless continuation of earnings on their investments. 100% of your active staked amounts will continue to earn profits, and all profits will be available for instant withdrawing. The secure account balance is intentionally segregated, enabling us to optimize and manage balances in our hot wallets. This strategic measure ensures a secure relaunch of the platform without jeopardizing user funds. Furthermore, the stipulated 6-month period is a maximum estimate. We are actively working towards expediting the schedule for making funds withdrawable at a much swifter pace. It is also important to note that funds will be returned to regular balance partially over a certain period, and this process will soon be started for account holders. We will share a more detailed schedule for this process as soon as possible. So they're just talking about some things there, right? They're talking about some different things on here as far as people were having questions about, the staggered release of funds and all that type of stuff and how things would get back to normal. So they were trying to provide some additional clarification for that. So that is what was happening on that end. So let me show you guys this. There is a recovery process in here that you have to go through. So I want to walk you guys through this. I said I had some problems with my audio, but hopefully that'll be fine. So I want to walk you guys through this recovery process here. What you're going to want to do is to go in and log into your account as normal. So if you go into my account, it's going to take you to the login screen so that you can log in. You should reach a login screen like this. Let me clear out this message here. So you go through here, you can go to the login screen, and then you're going to put in your username and your password, and then you're going to click in here to do your CAPTCHA verification. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to show you what the next screen shows you here. All right, so once you log into your account, this is what screen you're going to come up to. It's going to say there is a problem, and then it's going to say account recovery. Enter your registered Quopi email in order to regain access to your account and the functionalities of Quopi platform. Once the recovery request is approved, you will receive an email with further instructions. So you're going to go ahead and put the email that you signed up with Quopi with. You're going to take that email, you're going to place it in here. You're going to do the CAPTCHA verification, and then you're going to click on recovery access, right? So you're going to do that. And then what we have found out from support, and I'll show you guys that in my chat in just a second. But we have found out from support, one of our users, shout out to Brenton, who actually reached out to support. Support said that this should happen within 48 hours. So within 48 hours, you should receive an email that is telling you that once you get that email, you should be able to go ahead and access your account. They're going to go through the detailed instructions and everything so you can get into the account, all that type of stuff. So that's how that is supposed to work. So whatever your email address is, you put it in there, and then I'm going to show you the message that comes up after that. So once you actually put in the email address that you registered with, you're going to get this screen right here, which it says recovery process. Your access recovery request is underway. Expect an email to your registered address upon approval. Approvals will occur in phased waves during the relaunch, ensuring a systematic and secure process. Thank you for your understanding as we work through these stages. We look forward to welcoming you back to Quopi. So that's what it says here. Now, I do want to let you guys know that if you put in the wrong email address, it will tell you that they can't find your account. If it's not an account that you registered with that email, it will tell you, because I put in a wrong email address and it did tell me that it could not find the account. So when I went and put in the right email address, it did find the account, and then it went to this screen. So if somebody's wondering, they want to make sure they're using the right email address. If it's one that does not have an account, it will tell you that they did not find an account with this. That is actually a good thing for me. That tells me that this is actually connected to a legit database that they are searching accounts with. It's not just you putting in information, put in whatever, and it's just going through that. It is actually making sure that that email has an account with Quopi from the original database. So that's my thought process on that. Like, that's just the way I'm thinking on this. So I just wanted to show you guys this. So let me go into my chat really quick and show you guys what they have been talking about in the chat as far as what the customer service support team has said. So this is the screenshot of the message here from Quopi AI support. They said the question was, how long will it take for the recovery process? The first wave of account recoveries will start within 48 hours. So we should start seeing some action within 48 hours for people there. Hopefully they'll do that ahead of time too. Hopefully we'll see something happening within the next 24 hours or so, and we'll see some things popping off, and then we can report if we have seen anything or if we received any emails or what the actual process is from there. Always, guys, you want to make sure that you are in my Game Plan to 100 Grand group. That's where you can get information first, where the community is going to be sharing information, all that type of stuff. If you want to be in the know on that stuff, make sure that you drop down into the description of this video. Click on the link for Game Plan to 100 Grand group. It's a Telegram group. It's private. You just get in there and you can actually see the information that we're talking about on the inside. Now, as always, guys, I do want you to make sure you get into that YouTube challenge I was just talking about earlier. I want you guys to learn how to build your own YouTube empire. I want to be the one to teach you that. I want to share you all the stuff that I've learned through this process, through my experience and everything on how you could grow a successful YouTube channel that's going to bring you money time and time again, over and over again, even while you sleep. All right. So that's what we want to do, guys. I hope you guys are having an absolutely phenomenal day. And until the next video, guys, you know what we're going to do, right? You know what we're going to do. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we are willing to lose, but you know we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out. Peace.